Hello guys, welcome to Cybersecurity ABC. If you're new to our channel, we decided to open this channel to, express ourselves in a way that is going to be very easy and very simple for people who are coming into cybersecurity to have a landing fruit. Okay, a perfect place to land. Okay, where they could pick up things slow and steady and move to the better place. Okay, so for today. You already know I've been on the cybersecurity SOC program for the past 3 months, and so many things have been going on. We've been taught about so many things that I will share later on. But today, um, I'm going to be doing some basic subnetting practice questions. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like and share our page so that people who need it could also come and join you and enjoy. So today we are going to be doing basic subnetting practice questions, and the way I want to do this, I want to do it as though I'm in an exam hall. So I'm going to solve for these questions and I'm going to show full working. And there is room to make mistakes in my class, and of course I can make mistakes. What I want you to do for me is, if you know better or if you think there's something I could get better, below on the comment section, just highlight it for me, and I will see and I will take into practice. Thank you very much. So let's start once and for all. The first question is for a slash 29. What is the block size? That's the first question. The second question is, how many usable hosts does a subnet have? The third question is, what is the subnet max for the last octet? The fourth question is, how many subnets of this size are possible in a class C? Okay. Then write the last network mask octet in binary. So we're going to be providing these answers. So starting from the first one, what is a block? What is a block size? And men looking at the question, I already know is a class C. So I will put out my parameters that's going to help me to answer this question. So for a class C, I know that the first three octaves are full and the last octave is what is left for hosting. So I'm going to demonstrate that out. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot. So these are the three octets, the full octet of a class C, and each of them has 8 bits inside. So we have 8, 8, and 8, which sums up to be 24. This is the default size of a class C. Okay. Then the last octave, 0, which is left for the hosting, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we have what we are given is a slash 29. So we need additional 5 bits to make up 29. So we are taking 1 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we now have 29 bits. Okay. Now leaving these. And we already know that all these bits have values on top of them. So to make it easier, let me put their values. The first one here is 128, which is the last. The second one here is 64. And the third one here is 32. And this one is 16. And this one is 8. Okay. The remaining ones is 4, 2, and 1. Okay. But my interest is on the ones that are already on, which is the bits that has been used. So to find the block size, what I'm going to do is this is what has been given, and the total of all the bits in the octet is 32. When you sum up all, this is 8, 8, 8, and 8. So what I'm going to do is 32 minus 29, which is what? 29, 30, 31, 32, which is 3. Now, to find the block size, I'm going to raise it to the power of 2. 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, and that's the third one. So we've got answer of 8. So what I'm going to put on what is the block size is 8. That's our first answer. Okay, going to the second second question. Second question says, how many usable hosts does the subnet have? How many usable hosts does the subnet have? Okay, now let's demarcate that. The remaining usable host is 1, 2, and 3. You see, and that means we have 3, which is going to be passed in as that's the last usable host. So for us to get the usable host, we'll pass it through the formula, we'll raise it to the power of 2, then deduct 2 from it. Why are we deducting 2? Okay, 2 is the first for the network ID and the last for the broadcasting ID. I think those two are stagnant. They're not changeable. So for for this the remaining host, to get these now we have to do 2 raised to power 3 is 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So 6 is the answer of question number 2, which says how many usable hosts does the subnet have? We're going to put 6 there. So the third question is, what is the subnet mask of the last octet? The subnet mask of the last octet is the sum total of all these bits that are on. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, the first 4 bits. So we have 128, we have 64, we have 32, and we have 16. And when we total that up, we get, okay, the last one is 8. I almost forgot the last one. The last one is 8. We total it up and it gives us 248. Okay, and that is the subnet mask for the last octet. If I'm to complete the whole octet subnet mask, it will be 255 dot 255 dot 255, then dot the last one, which is 248. Okay, so let's go to the next question. And the next question is, how many subnets of this size are possible in a class C? How many subnets of this size, this 248 size, is possible in a class C? So the easiest way to get this is the total number of the class C bits network is 24, and the given block size, the given network bits is 29. So to get the subnets of to know the subnets of this size that can be possible in class C, we'll do 29 minus 24, which equals to 5. So solving for the subnets now, we have to raise it to the power of 2. So we raise this 5 to the power of 2 to know the number of subnet masks that are available. So we have 2 raised to power 5, which will give us 2 by 2, 4, 8, 16, yes, 32. Yeah, so 32. So 32 is our answer for this question, which says how many subnets of this size are possible in a class C. We have 32 subnets. So that is it. So let's move into the last question, which is write the last net mask octet in binary. The binary of the last octet is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 0, 0, 0. And that is the answer of the last one. Okay? So I'm going to be inputting all the answers here, then I'll click submit. Once I click submit, the system is going to let us know if we're wrong or if we're right. Hopefully, we are right. So the first answer we got for the block size is 8. The answer we got for the second one, how many usable hosts are there, is 8 minus 2 is 6. Then for the third question, what is the subnet mask for the last octet? We got 248. And the fourth question, how many subnets of this size are possible in a class C? We got 32 subnets. From we did 29 minus 24, which is the default host. The last one, write the network next, the net mask octet in binary, and we got 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to click submit to see if we are right. Let's go. Okay, voila, we got all of them correct. We got it correct, 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 correct. So just to recap again on what we got and how we got it. The first question is, what is a block size? We found out how to get the block size. We found out how many usable hosts does the subnet have, and what is the subnet mask for the last octet. We did that. And how many subnets of this size are possible in a class C. We got that, and we wrote out the last net mask octet in binary. And these class, and I'm going to be solving for the next. I'm going to push a next button which will bring up the next question, and that might be on the next post. So please, thank you very much. If you have a question or something that you want to let me know in the comment section, probably a way to get it better or a way to know it faster and better or solve the answers faster, please let me know on the comment section. Give us a support, subscribe and share, and engage in the post so that YouTube will be happy and show this wonderful piece to others. Thank you very much. I remain your one and only cybersecurity ABC Jude.